understand na, alam mo, especially the Chinese, Christmas time, okay ako. Wala. Pero yung maghingi, gano'n, medyo mahirap yan. Total, mayroon naman kayong sideline. Yung video karera, inyo naman yan. Sa lahat ng station commander, kasi alam ko kulang. Even if I doubled your salary again today, still it would not be enough. Ngayon sa tataas. So I want you at least, maybe towards the end of my term, na makapag-aral kayo ng anak ninyo ng gusto niyo. If your son would like to become a lawyer, a doctor, kaya rin niyo. Especially if Dominguez can complete the turnover of the Bonifacio lands. Sinasabi ko sa kanya, do not be so, do not be so focused or engrossed in lupa. Ibigay ko yan sa armed forces pati sa police. You find another camp. Doon kayo maglaro sa Cavite, karami dyan. Have it rented like Taguig. Then we will establish, gusto ni Dominguez kasi, talagang GSIS. Sabi kasi ng armed forces, may sarili kayong retirement plan and everything, but Dominguez does not want it. And I respect the guy. And I tell you, yung father-in-law yan si Andrew Ervais. That's the father. Asawa niya. So more or less, he understands the wherewithal and the dimension of how things would unravel itself before your eyes as you go along towards malapit na kayo retirement. Kaya si Vic, I think hanggang 2022 ka pa. Baka ikaw pa siguro yung unang magkudita. Pauwiin mo lang ako sa bahay, ha? Bahala na kayo dito.